BT Group is set to cut up to 55,000 jobs by the end of the decade, with a fifth of those cuts coming in customer services as staff are replaced by AI technologies. The move is expected to help the company cut costs and make services faster, better, and more seamless. While the CEO claims that the changes won't mean customers will feel like they are dealing with robots, the move is expected to lead to a much smaller workforce by the end of the 2020s. The Communications and Workers Union, CWU, said that while the announcement was no surprise, it wants BT to keep as many of its core employees as possible. In addition, the announcement came as BT reported a 12% drop in profits of £1.7 billion for the year to April. This move follows Vodafone's announcement that it will axe 11,000 jobs over the next 3 years. As AI technology continues to make inroads into the workforce, what do you think are the long-term implications of such job cuts for workers and consumers alike? Share your thoughts in the comments.